It does though. It smells like dog food.
Oh my god, it's rough. Ew, I'm scared to try it. I'm scared.
Oh.
Granny, you almost ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Hi, we're back with another food review, but we're gonna try the new ones that we've never tried before, but that we just got today. We're gonna try it so y'all don't have to. I'm Sarcastic Sarah, and we're back with
Jess.
And Gangsta Granny's over here in the background.
and Gangsta Granny is in the back. So, what do you want to start with first?
I feel like we should get the dog food out of the way.
dog food. Yeah.
It smells so bad.
Okay, so these are plant-based jerky.
Vegan chicken.
Beyond Meat. It literally smells like dog food. I'm not even kidding y'all. I am terrified to try this.
You better get you something to drink.
I got one.
Ready.
Here. Oh. Here goes nothing, Jess.
Oh
The
god.
smell. The smell. You want to
Did you drink
split
it?
one? You want to just split it?
Yeah,
I thought I
'cause-
would like this because I used to be vegetarian. I don't know about this, Granny.
The smell. I can't even split it. We're gonna have to bite.
Lady in the Tramp.
We could.
Yeah, you can.
We'd struggle. Oh, it smells like dog food. Like, I'm not kidding. And it's... I can't. I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay, I'm going for it.
You better. You made me try that nasty stuff yesterday. You want me to throw it down in the well?
Y'all gotta try it. Ugh. Oh my god.
I hope
That's-
whoever made that stubs their toe.
That's a negative. Wait, it's still in my mouth. We gotta try something else.
Well, grab some.
We're gonna do the Fiesta Twist Queso. Old El Paso. They're new chips, so we're gonna try this.
That smells alright.
They smell good. So, try and get this dog food taste out of my mouth, because that drink didn't help. Oh, God. Those are good. That's a 12. That's a 12.
It tastes like the Taco Bell nacho fries.
They do! Y'all like the nacho fries? Y'all would love this. Y'all would love this. It's got a little, like, kick to it. But other than that, those are good. Okay, so Jessica's been wanting to try these all morning since we got them. They're the Nutella biscuits. So, a crunchy golden baked cookie. They smell good. They smell good. I'm ready for this one. That's beyond a 10. Y'all like Nutella? Like Granny said last night, go get y'all some. That is good. And the Nutella's soft. It's not like a hard chocolate flavor, you know what I mean? Like, it's not hard chocolate. It's gooey. Like, do y'all see that? It's gooey inside. That's really good. That's a beyond 10. So good. Okay. I need to stop myself or I'm gonna eat the whole bag.
Those are good.
Those are really good. Okay. So next is On the Border cafe style salsa flavored chips. So they kind of smell like salsa, but like kind of not. I can't figure it out. I don't know. Tastes like salsa.
Tastes like a tortilla chip.
You want to try mine? Mine's got more flavor.
Ooh.
Woo! I got kick.
We just switched the same chip.
We did. This one has no flavor. That one's got more flavor to it.
It's got a little bit more, but
it's got a kick.
it'd be good with salsa.
It'd be good with salsa, but it's salsa flavored. But it's good. I rated a 10. It got a good
Even
flavor.
9.5.
Next are these Feastables Mr. Beast chocolate chip cookies. They're plant-based and they're gluten-free. And if anybody knows me, you can ask them. I love me some chocolate chip cookies, so I'm hoping for the best.
And if anybody knows me, I have celiac.
So we're gonna
ignore it.
They smell good. They kind of remind me of the Chips Ahoy. Oh, broke her tooth. I don't like the texture.
Tastes gluten free.
I'll try them.
A 7.5 out of 10.
Holy. That tastes like cardboard. Yeah. That's a 1. Okay. I'm doing this for y'all's entertainment. I hope y'all are enjoying this. Next is Takis Pop Intense Nacho Non-Spicy. Now, these are new. Jessica found them. We're gonna try them. Now, she knows I don't like spicy, so they're spicy. I'm gonna get upset. Because I like me some cheesy popcorn. They smell spicy. Ready? Yeah, it's kind of off.
It smells like when I worked at the daycare. But it doesn't taste like a daycare. That's pretty good.
It's good. It's got like a tiny heat. But it tastes like cheese popcorn. But you can like buy in like the bags and stuff.
It tastes like cheese popcorn?
Yeah. That's what it is, but but like, you know, like yeah, y'all know what I'm saying. Okay, so we got the wavy Funyun chips. I've been wanting to try these for a while. I love Funyuns. Smells just like them, so I'm excited for this. I'm excited. That's over a 10. Tastes just like a Funyun. But they're wavy chips. Oh my gosh. That's better than sour cream and onion. Now this one and the Nutella biscuits are my favorite. Those are my favorite. Ah, so good.
Okay.
You want to do that? Let me choose. There's a little magic around here.
Okay. Jolly Rancher gummies, the sour lemonade stand. There's a couple flavors. Which one do you want?
I'm gonna try the red. And the red and yellow. They're mixed.
Oh,
They're like 2 in 1.
we'll try sour lime.
I got strawberry lemonade. That's sour. But it's good. It's good. Those are good.
I don't think it's sour.
That's me off my feet.
Whoop.
Those are good. That's like a 10. Those are good. Now, I'm not going to try all the flavors that are in there because there's only a few. But
Oh, we've got a lot.
we got a lot of stuff, so. But I rate that a 10.
A 9. If it was more sour, I'd be more on board. You pick next.
Okay. So, we're going to do the gummy Skittles. So, I'm going to do this blue-greenish one. That's the raspberry.
I'm gonna do the green. It's melon. Oh, it smells good.
That's good. Y'all need to go get y'all some of these. Those are good. I gotta go back for cherry strawberry. Now that one tastes like medicine.
I think you grabbed the cherry.
No, that's a cherry. Kind of tastes like the cherry medicine. Yeah, I was taking here a little. Yeah, it's good though. It's a 10. I like it.
Solid.
Yep. What are you want to choose next?
I'm gonna go back for the sour.
The Sour Patch.
Sour Patch Lemonade Fest.
Now, I've never seen these, so.
Y'all
got my reaction on the sour one, so here we go.
4 flavors of this one. I'm gonna try the cherry and the blue raspberry.
And I'm gonna try the lemonade and the cherry lime lemonade. So this is the cherry lime lemonade. Holy crap, my mouth is like, it can't move, you know? Holy crap. That's why I hate Sour Patch Kids, because they're sour then they're sweet. They trick me.
It's all in the advertisement, right?
All the advertisement, holy crap. I still gotta do the lemonade, so you're already get a kick out of this one.
I'm gonna try the lemonade. Is that one worse?
Holy crap. My mouth is watering. It's hot in here.
Woo! I think it's pretty good.
No, see, now it's sweet. But a 10. Y'all like Sour Patch Kids? Yeah, sour than sweet, yeah. Them butt heads.
I give it like,
I give it a 10. Like a 9, kind of.
8.5. It could be sour.
I can't do sour. So now we're going to do the Starburst Airs gummies. I like Starburst. They're new. They're new, so, I mean, it says it on the package here. They got 4 different flavors. So I'm going to go in with the strawberry. Well, if I can get one, they're all stuck together. It's like a blown up Starburst. Y'all all know the pink ones are the best.
I'm doing cherry. It's got the consistency of a marshmallow.
I don't like them.
I don't know how I feel about it. Flavor's good.
The texture, I don't like the texture. Tastes like one of the pink Starburst, but it's very airy. They got that one right.
The texture is kind of like if when you were little and your parents got a brand new memory foam pillow. And you decided one day to say, I wonder what that feels like in my mouth, but cherry flavored.
It's strawberry flavored.
Jess, I love you.
And strawberry flavor and the lime and the, yeah, all those. I give that a 5.
Like a 3.8.
What's the next one?
That's the last one.
Okay, some more Skittles gummies. These are the regular ones.
Those other ones were wild berry.
I'm gonna try the green one again. It's green apple.
I'm gonna try the strawberry, I guess. Yeah. It's like a normal Skittle, but it's gummy.
Try the one.
10. If you like gummies, you like Skittles, you got it covered.
The lemon tastes like pine sol.
Well, that's all
10
we
out of
got for
10.
today. Y'all want to try any of these? Y'all can get in the comments. If y'all couldn't read them, y'all can comment and ask what they were. Most of them were good. I do not recommend to try the jerky.
If you love yourself,
It smells like dog food.
it tastes like dog food.
It's rough. But we're done for today. Sarcastic Sarah out. And
Jess.
Bye,
Bye.
that's the granny.